Life can be a beautiful thing to experience, but when trouble from work, school, relationships, or old wounds crowd your mind, it becomes difficult to focus or get any quality sleep. And as the stress and anxiety build up, your nervous system is triggered, putting your entire body on edge. Quick breaths, lying awake all night, a pounding heart, and a spinning head are all side effects of a body stuck in fight or flight mode, with no way to turn it off. But what if there was a solution? What if, with one click of a button, you could send a message throughout your entire body that it's time to take a chill pill? The one and only device like it, the chill pill, does just that. This simple, handheld instrument, designed by psychologists and sleep aid specialists, is equipped with cranial electrotherapy stimulation, CES for short, an FDA-approved form of therapy to treat insomnia, depression, and anxiety. Small neural pulses, like tiny shock waves, travel up through the palm of your hand and into the rest of your body, telling your nervous system that it's time to relax, while a slight tingle from the pulse helps you ground your mind in reality. You can feel the tension in each muscle as it melts away. Within a few minutes, these tiny shock waves build up your body's natural forms of peace and relaxation, like serotonin and endorphins, until all those nagging anxieties running through your mind are put to rest. Traditionally, hormonal medications and lengthy therapy sessions were the only forms of treating anxiety, depression, or insomnia. But with the chill pill in hand, when you're off to sleep or on the go, you can find natural, quick relief from the stress and anxiety that we all face each and every day.